core is unstable! Get back! It's breaching!
Evacuate the laboratory immediately.